My good friend Pascal.
You know, sometimes if it's not happen, it's because it's not happen.
It's all right. We raised the anchor this morning out there together with the wind, and then started to head towards the gas station, and the starboard engine died. And we drifted in towards all these boats. But I was able to use a bumper and stop it. And then we were able to secure ourselves to this boat. And then we found the problem. I thought maybe I was out of diesel. But unfortunately, we were towing Pascal's dinghy, and the line got fouled in the starboard prop. So now I'm going to dive down there and cut it out. Okay, I'll get it, Pascal. I'm going to go in the water. Come on out of the rain.